You're recording, aren't you?
Okay, so after kind of cleaning my desk and cleaning my whole room, I also wanted to show you guys this. I got a little package of it. I finally got myself new glasses, so I'm really excited to try them on. Oh, that's cute. They're more nice boxes. Oh my god, they feel tiny. So these are the first ones. I feel like they look so tiny for my face.
Alexa, turn on the light.
Babe, they look tiny for my face.
They do a little bit.
Oh. Okay, so it's this pair. They look too tiny for my face. Great. Now I'm nervous for the other ones, because the ones I have are like large, and both of the ones I got today, the biggest size of like the size of the actual glasses were medium. So I feel like they're gonna be so small. They look the same, huh?
I actually like those better.
You said you didn't like these.
Well, size-wise, they don't look as small.
They don't, like, this is too. Where is it? It doesn't fit my nose. Oh god. Why? This is.
Maybe it's just because it's not what you're used to.
So it's supposed to fit my nose, right? If it's. See? This is how these look. And then. It feels so weird. They look so big on some of the girls. Where I saw the pictures, it's like my face is just like too round or something. I don't know what it is. I feel really weird. I am not really feeling them, neither of them. But I do see the blue or whatever.
That blue light?
Yeah. Well, we'll see. Once I probably gonna like do my hair and fix my face, I'm gonna try them on again and see it look, but darn. So I decided to give these glasses a try and see and wear them for a little bit and see how I feel about them. But I don't know about the other ones. Let's see how it works. I just feel weird wearing another type of glasses, but yeah. It does say that I have 14 days to return them with no questions asked. So that's also really, really good. So in case I just don't feel like it and they just don't, then maybe I can return them. But I wanted to show you guys what the theme for July, which was highly requested by my sister. So I was like, I don't know what to do, so I'm gonna do it. I'm sure you guys know what it is with that. So I probably will work on that, and I still have some stickers that I need to cut and figure out. I worked on these. This was a special request from a friend. Also, I came out with another pin idea, but that one, it's still gonna take a while. I want to be able to sell at least a good amount of quantity of the ones that I have already and see how that goes and still kind of try them out. It's my first pin and I just want to see how it's going to work out and if it's something that I obviously want to spend more money on. So yeah, but I already have an idea. With this one, I created this little cookie for her. So it's like a little zombie cookie. And so I'm gonna make it into stickers. Well, I just wrote on it. So I'm gonna create this into a little sticker and see how it turns out. But we're gonna just listen to something and work on the bullet journal for a little bit. And also, good news, Steven, babe, say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Move more this way. There we go, there's a hand. So he convinced me to get a new camera. It took me a very long time to say yes, finally, just do it. So I'm getting a new camera and a really good motherfucking tripod. So I'm getting a damn good, not $20 tripod, so I could get good, nice angles of me doing the bullet journal. And maybe I'll start filming my bullet journals. But I just feel like I'm so slow at the like drawing and stuff because I'm just still getting into it. But I guess also too, another thing is that I would get into it and I would start doing it, and then my camera would die or turn off. Well, it's not die, but turn off because it would just get hot. Overheat. There we go. Thanks, nerd. So
You're welcome.
so it would just overheat. It would always frustrate me so much because I was so into it and I was just like really like feeling it, and then it just died. So it's like, do I just continue with my flow or do I stop, let this cool down, and then continue? And it was just a nightmare. It was so annoying. So that's why I moved it into Instagram. But right now what I've been doing is kind of getting shots of the things that I do until my camera dies. Once it dies, then that's as much as I show in the video. But it will soon eventually stop and end once that I get the new camera, which I am excited, and I'll show you guys and everything. But yes, that's what it is for today. So today, Saturday, I will be ending also this vlog today so I can start editing it tomorrow. I'll probably start another one tomorrow, but for the agenda today, it's gonna be a must. It is 12:53. I need to start getting ready by what, 4, babe? Probably.
Yeah.
So I have a few hours. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I have like 3 hours, so I could actually probably spend an hour in each thing. So I want to work a little bit on the bullet journal, get the stickers done, and there was one more thing I needed to do that I just forgot. What was the other thing?
Bum, 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 bum.
I think it was just practice my drawing. I think that was it. Hopefully we remember. Oh, I got this new bottle yesterday with these little ice cubes that you just put in the freezer and they get cold. So this is me attempting to drink water again. This usually lasts maybe a month, and then I'm tired of the bottle and I need to buy a new bottle to feel encouraged to drink water. But anyways, let's get to the bullet journaling. Finished some of it, didn't do it, but I did the cover, which I feel like it looks really cool. I just need to put the little calendar here, and then I am still on the works of my voice. I'm trying to use like the, I guess, format of like the writing, kind of how it's July over here. It looks really awesome, but it takes forever because it takes me a while. And then it took a really long time doing I was just gonna do like the capital letter of each day of the week, and I put Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and I always do Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So I was in Wednesday when I realized I had done that, so I just erased it and I'm just doing regular. And then I'm doing these little thingies around, so I'll probably do it up this way, and then I don't know where else, I may do it somewhere around here. And then I still haven't done anything for the habit tracker, mood tracker, but I have a few days until the month starts. But actually this week would already be on that. Yeah, hopefully I can finish it by tomorrow. But for now, that'll be it for the bullet journal, I think. Yeah, so that, and then I'm gonna do a quick Instagram post, and then after that I'm actually gonna print the stickers. So I'm gonna do the stickers and then just see how much time it is. It's 2:27, so I'll be working till 4, and then see where we go from there. Say hi, babe. So I'm gonna start printing the stickers, and I need to do first a white background to it. I am gonna work on creating a little background, white background part of it. Shouldn't take that long, so I'm gonna do that. So these are the shiny ones, and for some odd reason my Cricut can't do the shiny. So what I do, I just got the invisible tape that it's kind of like matte, and so I grab little pieces of it and I cut them to cover. This one's still a little dirty. I'm gonna redo it because the bottom one was dirty. And this one has a cat hair. Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna eyeball it, and then I'll put it right where that black reading line is for the Cricut machine to cut. So when it reads, it's not too shiny, and it's able to read it easily. Just also make sure that that doesn't happen. to make sure that you don't get it where like it'll be cutting the actual sticker. Cutting pieces that are way too long. There we go. There we go. So now we can put it in the and into and we're good to go. It is cutting. So if you guys have ever that problem of it not cutting properly, you can use that tape and it will cut. And it seems to be cutting pretty straight. So let's hope it stays that way. Stickers are ready. They look absolutely gorgeous. Honestly, I really like these stickers. These are for my friend Jasmine that she requested. I guess you could say that would be my first, the word. I like how it looks in the back. Would be my first, it would be my first consultation. Is that the word? My first personal drawing thing. I can't believe I actually drew that. Hey, the lighting's really good. It looks really good right now. I got a really good spot. Anyways, thank you, Jocelyn, for believing in me, thinking that I could draw something like this. I really, 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 really hope you like them. I really hope you really enjoy them, and they're awesome. I think they're really cool, and it's unbelievable sometimes the things that I'm sorry, I'll look over here. The things that you can actually come to create when you believe in yourself, I feel like. And I should take my own advice. That's a lot of things, but I feel like I'm starting to grow on liking these glasses. I think I like this pair. This pair is good. I don't know about the other one, but yeah. Anyways, it's just insane how much you can do when you sit down and really, you know, practice and just, the world has no limits if you really put yourself into it. And that's what I'm gonna keep and try and continue to do. I've been working on this, and I've been giving up on it so much, but not this time, because it is insane, and it's crazy to think that I've created things that I never thought I could. And it's a really good fucking feeling. Anyways, I'm gonna go get ready, and I'll just end the vlog here. So thank you so much for watching. I highly super appreciate this, and this means the world to me. And thank you so much for everyone who's been watching. Thank you for all my friends who've supported me. It means a lot. And I appreciate you guys so much. So once again, don't forget to subscribe. The button's just right below if you got here this far. I appreciate you so much for watching my entire video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.